Hello everyone, Maximilian here, welcome back in another video. In this video I would like to show you exactly which line on CNFans is the best and with which line you should just ship your products with. So normally on CNFans you get a ton of different shipping lines, whether it's the DHL, DPD, InPost, EMS, USPS or whatever. In this video we will compare every single one of them and I will show you exactly which one to choose. So guys, here we are currently on my desktop. This is how it all looks like. And to check a line, I will simply go into the estimation here in the top of the website. Okay, so here we are in the estimator. First of all, we have to pick our destination. I live in Poland, so I'll just simply click on Poland here. Items category, so normally it's just, you know, like clothes or whatever. And let's say I want to ship like 3 kilograms package, and let's say the length is just 20, width 30 and 40. And the height is 40 centimeters. Now let's hit calculate. As you can see, it's loading. So for my country is either the EMS or the Poczta Polska, which is a new one. I don't have it tested, so I wouldn't recommend doing it with the Poczta Polska. But what I would focus on is the DHL. DHL is the best. If you are from Europe, I will definitely choose the DHL. Not only it's the fastest and the easiest way of just shipping the items, but it's also probably the cheapest one because you don't pay any tax. As you can see, it's tax-free. You also get a free insurance, of course, and yeah, as you can see, the transit time is from 10 to 16 days, so pretty fast to be honest. Delivery rate is 98.7%, so also very nice. You can hit the details, so you can see that under 10 days there are like 1.6% of packages, so not a lot. But in the range from 10 to 13 days it's around 85%, so under 2 weeks and you can get your package delivered. Very nice option. Euro Air F1, I have not tested this one, so I can't say much about this. The DHL Air MG is okay. Every single DHL line is just very nice, I love it. City Air, I don't know it. I just haven't tested it yet, so I can't really tell. But I wouldn't choose this one. I would definitely choose DHL over this one. The Euro Air F2, I don't have it tested, so I can't really say much as well. The DPD is alright. Recently I got shipped one haul. And yeah, it was a little bit cheaper than DHL, but it's alright, so I would choose the DPD as well. DHL, of course, is great. As you can see, this one is faster. It takes like 9 to 15 days, so it's a little bit faster. But yeah, basically anything from the DHL or DPD is okay. You can definitely choose this one. If you are from Poland, the InPost is also great, but for some reason I don't have it here at the moment. What I would avoid is definitely the UPS. UPS is super expensive. As you can see, it's like 2 times the price of the DHL and the DPD. So I wouldn't pick this one. Although their transit time is quite fast. As you can see, from 6 to 9 days and 88%, but I wouldn't choose them. They're definitely overpriced. Also avoid this EMS because it's either super expensive or it takes a lot of time. So that's basically it for Europe. Let's check out the United States. I know that a lot of you guys are from United States, so it's also super important to check the lines for United States. And as you can see here, we have the first one, the USPH, which is from 12 to 20 days. It's at 86.4 US dollars, so a little bit on the expensive side. It's not bad, to be honest, considering all the tariffs on China. It's not too bad. And it's also tax-free, so you don't need to pay anything more than this price you see here. The USFH is also pretty good as well. And as you can see, the delivery rate is at 97-98%, so also very nice. Unfortunately, the other ones like the DHL and the DPD are not available, so it's a pity. They're not available for some reason. My recommendation, if you are from the United States, just pick up this one, the USPH. Not only is the cheaper one, but also the delivery rate is just 1% higher than this one, so it's better, I guess. So folks, that is my recommendation when it comes to the CNFans shipping. If you want to save on some shipping, also do make the referral. You will get your parcel much cheaper and you don't need to pay anything more. You get a final price at the beginning, so you pay what you have to pay. Thank you so much for this video and see you in the next one. Bye!